Alright guys, this is our only source of light before we enter King Pig's castle and kill him. Alright, let's go. Turn the lights on.
You guys know you need a key to be able to get in King Pig's castle, right?
That was an easy kill. Now, King, get on with destroying King Pig and his army. Okay, I'm the boss here. I do the rules. That sounds wrong. Shut up. Just shut up. No, Helmet's been shot. What type of monster would do this? You three. Get ready for battle, Darth. It's go time. Blue, light the bomb.
Okay, boss.
Wait, what bomb? Ow. I landed on the camera. Alright, Yellow, you're the first one to go. Because you have that gun, and but if there's snipers around you, can immediately no-scope them with that hunting rifle of yours. Yeah, you're right. You're dead now. Oh, right. What? No, I'm out of ammo. Whoa! I'm down! I'm down! Man down! Man down! I know exactly what to do. Easy elimination. Oh, no, you don't. What? How'd that sword not do anything? Oh, you mean how it didn't get scratches or didn't do anything to my sword? Yeah. Well, I'll show you something that will eliminate you. Wait, what? That's for you. Hey, you! Stop right there. Huh? A fellow bird. You're going down. No, my shield. Might as well make most of it while I can. Hey, you, screw off. Who, me? Yeah, screw off. I think it's time to teach you a lesson, young man. My shield. And that shield was the reason you're gonna die. What? Finally, I'm getting my... What? Not doing anything! Ow, the camera, man. Shut up. My sword is stronger than Thanos' gauntlet. What is strong? You stupid bird! You knocked me closer to the throne room. They're down. Sir, you better look behind you. Quick.
What the heck do you want?
Protect me! Stash. I eliminated both at the same time. You're reaching the elite. Blue, destroy the front gates. My bomb isn't strong enough, sir. Those pigs are made of steel. I say, gentlemen, I have a fight to win. That bomb had critical damage. Now it's time for you to be slain. Yes, finally. My dream has come a reality. Oh, yeah? Well, you messed with the wrong kingdom, because I'm Indiana Jones. Oh, so are you now? Indiana Jones doesn't die. Oh. Now it's time for you, King Pig. Not so fast. You don't mess with my dad. Thanks for the help, Blue. I don't need any more bombs. And for you, King Pig, your time as the ruler of the pigs is now over. Give me the throne. Never. Alright, guess it's your turn to die. No, your time is up.